Stop scrolling past those flashy wellness ads for a second and look at what is actually inside that bottle sitting in your digital card. Everyone is suddenly obsessed with lymphatic drainage, like it is some secret health cheat code. I spent the last few days digging into a brand that is currently everywhere. It is the one with the soft gels that promises to flush your system. On the surface, the formula is actually impressive for the price point. They are using burdock root and dandelion. Those are heavy hitters in the world of botanical research. Dandelion is a documented diuretic. That explains why people report feeling lighter or less bloated after a few doses. Then you have turmeric and ginger. Those are the gold standard for fighting inflammation. They even added echinacea for that extra immune system kick. I have to give them credit for the soft gel format too. Most companies cheap out with dry powder capsules. Fat-soluble ingredients like turmeric need those healthy fats to actually cross into your bloodstream. If it does not absorb, you are just wasting your money. The value seems great because you get a full 2 months supply for what some brands charge for 30 days. But this is where I need you to pay close attention. I went looking for the people behind this brand and found a total ghost town. There are no named founders. There is no verifiable history of where this company started. They do not list their manufacturing facility. This is a massive gap in trust. In this industry, third-party testing is the only thing that matters. Without a stamp from an independent lab, you have no way to verify if the bottle contains what the label claims. The FDA does not step in to test these products before they go on sale. The burden of honesty is entirely on the brand. That makes me very nervous when a company is this secretive. Then we have the language they use. Phrases like flushing toxins or draining lymph nodes sound high-tech. In reality, they do not align with medical science. Your lymphatic system is like a series of one-way pipes without a central pump. A pill cannot force fluid to move through those pipes. You need mechanical stimulation for that. Think about things like deep belly breathing or jumping on a small trampoline. Even a simple walk or a focused massage is what actually gets that fluid moving. These herbs are fantastic for supporting your overall health and lowering inflammation. They are just not the magic drainage tool the marketing makes them out to be. There are plenty of other supplement companies out there that offer these exact same ingredients with total transparency. They show you their lab results. They tell you exactly who they are. If you are dead set on this specific brand, just manage your expectations. You are getting a decent blend of herbs, but you are also taking a gamble on a brand with zero established credibility. Keep your focus on hydration and movement if you really want to see your body thrive. You deserve to know exactly what you are putting in your body every single day. Taking a supplement should feel like a step toward clarity, not a leap of faith into a mystery. Trust your gut when a brand feels a little quiet about their origins. There is always another option that respects your need for data and transparency. Stick to the basics of movement and you will likely see much better results than any pill could provide on its own. It is your health on the line, so stay curious and always look past the pretty packaging.